Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a truckerized tuner report for Gator Man in Georgia on the RCI X9HP. Gator Man got you ready to go, bud. Fixed the frequency counter. There's a vertical and horizontal board in here. Had 4 solder joints completely broke. You didn't mention it in the notes, so I'm not sure if it happened on the way here or not, but I see it all the time. So I took care of that for you. Full truckerized package, all the audio mods, power mods, high cut filter, amp on off switch, 10 kilohertz switch. We also did the upgraded power cable, got rid of this problematic piece of crap right here that Ranger needs to never ever put on anything again. But anyways, so let's just get right to it. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Got you at 6 watts all the way down. We got plenty of adjustability. 60 all the way up. Average power swing, obviously 100 watts in the corner. We got the 500 watt slug, we're going average. You're looking at the middle scale. Hello, 145 bird. Should give you a clue what we're going to see here on peak. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 300 PEP. Alright, this truckerized X9HP with the upgraded power cord is ready to go out to you, Mr. Gator, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.